How to customize the TAWK.TO widget. So first, go to your dashboard, and then what you need to do is just click on this one, the administration or the gear icon here at the top. Then just click on channels here, then just click on chat widget, and you will be transported here. So here is where you can customize your chat widget. So for example, I want to customize my widget color here. I'll turn it to, let's say, blue, so you can see. And of course you can see other settings here that you can use: the widget content, the consent form, time zone, the widget behavior, its visibility settings. So you can see all of this, just customize all of this for your chat widget. And of course after that, don't forget to copy the widget code here. Just click on copy to clipboard, and then of course update your widget in your website using this code. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.